3, 2, 1, action.
We're only in Koh Phangan. We've still got like 6 days to go. I genuinely thought this was our stop. I was getting really excited. I was like, put my headphones in, I'm gonna walk off the boat, listen to some cool music. We're not even halfway. Made it. Feel a bit seasick. I never ever get seasick, but that was treacherous conditions, as the English weatherman would call them. We made it to Koh Tao. It was beautiful, and this blue sky, which is even better. Golden. Right, let's go get our bags, bro. I didn't need one of those.
George, do we have anyone waiting for us?
We've got absolutely no one waiting for us. We've got to make our own way. It's next to a massage parlour and a pharmacy. Around there, yeah, I guess. That's the address. What am I expecting from Koh Tao? I feel like it's tropical paradise island again, similar to like a Phuket. I'm expecting good Thai food. I'm expecting a bit of adventure. I'm expecting to get myself a bike, a scooter. Yeah, this is much smaller than like a Koh Phangan or even a Koh Samui where we stayed last night. And I think, Lawrence, before we go to Australia, we should pick Koh Samui or Phangan to go back to.
Phangan, I reckon.
Phangan, yeah? That's where the full moon party is.
Yeah, that'll be
So we can have like one crazy party in Thailand before we go on an Australian road trip.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Happy?
Very happy.
Yeah? Sweet, yeah, I'm ecstatic, bro. I think it's pretty safe to say that Jesse and Brian have picked the perfect location here in Koh Tao for us to stay. Our room is literally about 100 metres that way. We've just been walking down like this little street, in the middle of the road. And we're right on the beach. Literally, the beach is behind this shop through all these little cut-throughs. Seems to be a load of cool little hostels, which means it's gonna be a social place, coffee, bars. How you doing, mate? You alright?
Yeah, tuna apple mayo, please.
280,000, which is like nothing. Bon appetit, bro. Tuna mayo, a nice green tea. Let me see how much to tell the people this cost. 140. So 140 Thai baht is £3.25 for a tuna mayo sandwich and a green tea and a water. Mental.
And look at this view.
This is absolutely ludicrous. But a wee bit of energy. I'm gonna go and pick up 2 bikes. The place opposite our villa is called KP Rentals, and it's meant to be one of the more reputable ones, but it's also double the price of everywhere else. We're just gonna have a little shop around and see if there's anything that's better value than 350 baht a day. That's like £8. We're gonna try and find something cheaper. I need some banunus. 4 giant bananas. Thank you very much. 20 baht. So it's £1,000 for 5 days, as opposed to 350 per day from KP. And these are really good, looking after them well, so we got a good deal, I think. Okay, let's bring these back on the 17th.
And you go that way, and then you come back that way, and then you go other way.
Okay.
Yeah, like this.
So this is done. Alright, so if you're wondering where we are, Koh Tao, very small island, smallest island of the 3 Kohs, I think it is. Very, very cheap. We're staying on the west coast, and it's costed us about £12.50 per person, per night, to have a double bed, a bed each, air conditioning, on the beach with awesome restaurants and coffee shops around us, and a good young, vibrant lifestyle. We've done it well this year, man. I'm saving money. I'm spending so much less money. I'm visiting new places already. What a start to the year. Alright, so the place that we're staying is at a place called Sairee Beach, S-A-I-R-E-E. And this is where the Sairee Beach football team play. Beach football, like proper beach football. Check this out. Bamboo sticks for goalposts. It's like the advance of like jumpers for goalposts at school. This is going up a level, taking it to the beach.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine.